what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bring people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean. So be kind all the time. So I hope you guys are having a great day so far. Mine is going like I always say. We're still in quarantine up in New York, so it is what it is. So today I bring you another edition of my Zodiac eyeshadow inspired looks. I did this because I have both of the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palettes and I really love that they work. So I decided that throughout the year I'm going to, as the Zodiac changes, I'm going to do a look based on the current Zodiac and then the colors that correspond in the palette to that Zodiac, and I have to use both of them from both palettes and make the look work. My right eye is tearing. I apologize if it looks a little funky. It's just allergies and PMS and all that fun stuff are giving me a great headache today, so it's awesome, but it is what it is. I'm not gonna complain. Yeah, so today I'm setting this video up and it is like literally the last day of Taurus. I kept thinking I had so much more time to do it. I'm like, oh, May 20th is like far away. All of a sudden it's like, oh, May 20th is now. So you really need to get this Taurus video up because I really enjoy doing these videos. So anyway, this is what the BH Cosmetics Zodiac palette, the original one, looks like. And in this palette, Taurus is this beautiful color right here. It's like a gold. It's absolutely stunning. I love this palette. Looks like that. And then in the Zodiac Love Signs palette, Taurus is this beautiful red color. And it looks like this, and I will show it to you. I love, like I've said before, let me just swatch this for you. So that's with the two colors that I have to work with. And then I can use, I mean, because there's like no rules, so this I like totally just made this up. It's not like a challenge or anything. I can use whatever mattes in the two palettes that I want to course, like to, you know, make a look that works together with them. And I always try and use the two highlights in the middle as like my inner corner and like my brow bone highlights. Sometimes I remember to use it as my face highlight, sometimes I don't. But I, like I said before, love these palettes. It gives me, every month I get to pull them out and create a new look with it, which is just fun. And I think that they work really well, like I've said before. So I just love using them, and I think there's such a variety of colors in there. They're such great palettes. I'm gonna stop rambling and let's get into how I created this very Taurus look. So I started like I would always do, and I just primed my eyes, except today I used this Pretty Vulgar one that I got in my, I think it was BoxyCharm box. It was the video that I just posted the other day. So far, I mean, I guess it works okay. I'm really used to like the P. Louise ones and everything. So this one's a little like less tacky, but it's nice. It's okay. So I'm going to start by going into the Zodiac Love Signs palette, and I'm going to go into the actual color, the brown color that's right above Taurus. And I'm just going to take that on a fluffy brush. And I'm going to put that where I always do, back and forth in my crease and socket area. Had such a headache today. It's allergy / PMS related. So annoying. But I mean, if that's all I have to complain about, then I guess I should shut my mouth. Yeah, over this base, I mean, it's going on pretty good, pretty evenly. I mean, these shadows I figured were a good test for like a new primer because I know how these shadows perform. Like, I know that they perform well. So yeah, this is performing pretty decently over this base. Then for my brow bone, I'm gonna go in to the highlight in the middle combined with this like pinkishy white color here. My right eye is tearing, which is really pissing me off. I put eye drops in and everything, but sometimes it is what it is with my sinuses and allergies. I'm hoping that it'll at least last enough where I can finish this video and not have one eye looking like totally disgusting at the end. Then I just want to blend them together like that. Now I'm gonna jump into the original Zodiac palette, and I'm gonna pop in to this brown color right here, which is in front of Pisces. And I'm just going to apply that lower in my crease, just to add a nice darker shade in there. Kind of really reminds me of chocolate, I won't lie. So like that, and then I do just want to take a blending brush and just smooth them out a little bit. And actually the brush that I had the lighter brown on, just so that I don't want it totally lost, but I know the darker color kind of takes over a little bit, but it is what it is. Now I'm going to jump back in to the Love Signs palette, and I'm actually going to jump into the color Taurus right here, and I'm actually going to take that on a flat brush and I'm going to spray it with some water, because I love the way the BH Cosmetics shadows work with a wet brush. They just work so well. Help if I know where I put my mirror. There we go. And I'm just going to apply that onto my mobile lid. They just go on so smooth. It's like a beautiful, rich, kind of like red color. Not kind of like a red color, it is red. So like that. And then I want to take the brush that I had the darker brown on, and I want to just go over where they met a little bit, just to smooth it out. That. And because I'm obviously going to use both Tauruses, I'm going to go into some glitter glue. Just going to apply that to the middle part of my mobile lid. Like that, and I'm going to then take my finger and go in to the the Taurus from the original Zodiac palette, which is a beautiful gold. And I was going to apply that everywhere I applied the glitter glue. Such a gorgeous color. That, and then I want to take the brush that I had the red Taurus on, and I'm gonna just go across the edges so that they blend into each other more seamlessly. And then again with this brush, the brush that I had the darker brown on, and just over where they meet. So it'll look like this. Off camera, I just finished up this eye, and then I went in on my waterline with Venus from ColourPop, and now I'm just going to go into the Zodiac palette again, and I'm going to go into the darker brown color that I used on like the middle part of my that I used on my crease, and I'm just going to apply that under my lower lash line. My right eye is still really bothering me. It's making me so mad, but whatever. Like, if that's what I have to complain about, then yeah. I'm just going to take a smaller blending brush and just kind of blend it out. And then for my inner corner, I'm going to go in to the highlighter from the original Zodiac palette and just apply that with a pencil brush to my inner corner for a nice little pop. So like this. So this is the final look right here. Ignore the right eye that's tearing and being disgusting. aside from the right eye being a jerk, I actually really like how this look came out. I think it's really, really pretty. I love that it's like the red and the brown. Like I've said before, I love red and brown eyeshadow. I just think they're so much fun to play around with. So I am a happy clam with how this came out. So anyway, if you like this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. Thank you for stopping by and sharing this minute with me. I also send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you, I appreciate it. As always, I will list everything that I am wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all very biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!